Searching for job in accounting field? Why late? Join today. Advanced Diploma in Financial Accounting course and get ready for job. In this course we will learn MS Office, Advanced Excel with Google Sheet and Tally Prime with GSTIA. Our special features: 100% job placement guarantee, practical assignment on each topics, online and offline exams with government certificates, live project-based training, special course for HSC and SSC students and kids course, authorized computer training center, SHIVAM computer education, shop number 13, second floor, Vinayak shopping center, near ticket window and Aqua Stone restaurant, opposite Dahisar railway station, Dahisar East. Mobile 9-702-2-2-19-34-8-369-54-8.